I wasn't allowed to use Google Search for 24 hours. I wanted to see if I could survive a day without Google Search. I lasted about 6 hours. Every question I had to go through AI instead. I honestly thought I'd give up by lunchtime. But the day turned out a lot differently than I expected. 8:30 a.m. The first test came pretty quickly. I needed to look up the difference between MRI and CT scans. Normally, I'd Google it, open 6 tabs, forget which one I started with. You know how it goes. This time, I used Perplexity. It gave me the answer, showed me the sources, and I was done in about a minute. So yeah, first challenge, AI wins. Later, I needed to go through a PDF I'd been putting off for days. 11:45 a.m. studying. Instead of searching Google for summaries or reading the whole thing myself, I uploaded it to Notebook LM. It generated a study guide, summarized everything, and even let me ask questions about the document. Google would have helped me find information. Notebook LM actually helped me understand it. 3:30 p.m. Comparing products. By the afternoon, I wanted to compare 2 laptops. Normally, I'd spend half an hour opening review sites. Perplexity summarized the differences and linked the reviews it used. Saved me way more time than I expected. 7 p.m. Reality check. But here's where AI lost. Wanted to find a Reddit thread. AI couldn't find the exact post. Google instantly did. Needed to download OBS. AI kept giving me links. Yeah, I just Googled it. So I cheated twice. Did AI replace Google? Not even close. Google is still better when you need to find an exact website, a download page, or something local. But if your goal is actually getting an answer instead of opening 15 tabs, AI wins more often than I expected. I'll leave the tools I use down in the description if you want to try this yourself. And if you're into testing AI stuff without wasting hours figuring out what's actually worth using, hit subscribe. I've got plenty more experiments planned. Anyways, see ya.